Hello, in this demo video, I will walk you through a complete machine learning workflow for predicting the power output of a combined cycle power plant using environmental sensor data. This is a course assignment of machine learning for PM. I learned and practiced a lot by completing it. In this project, I used Python and the scikit-learn library to build, evaluate, and compare two regression models. Firstly, I loaded the dataset. The data contains hourly records of environmental variables such as AT, the temperature, AP, ambient pressure, RH, relative humidity, and V, exhaust vacuum, and the PE, corresponding power output. After loading the data with pandas, I checked for missing values and basic statistics to understand the dataset. Then I separated the features from the target variable, which is power output. I then standardized the features using standard scalar to improve model performance and ensure fair comparison. The dataset was split into training and testing sets, with 80% used for training and 20% for evaluation. I first trained a linear regression model as a baseline. After fitting the model, I used the test set to generate predictions and evaluated the performance using three metrics: R-squared score, mean absolute error, MAE, and the RMSE, the root mean squared error. The linear model achieved an R-squared score of around 0.39, which is relatively low. And then I trained a second model using the random forest regressor from scikit-learn. This model is better suited for capturing complex relationships. After training, I evaluated the performance on the test set using the same metrics. The random forest model is better than the linear regression, which achieved an R-squared score of 0.96, a lower MAE and a lower RMSE. Based on this comparison, I selected the random forest as the final model. To interpret the model, I plotted the feature importance scores from the random forest. As shown in the bar chart, the AT is by far the most important predictor for power output. And the second one is the exhaust vacuum. This visualization helps me to understand which environmental variables have the strongest influence on the plant's energy production. To summarize, in this project, I built two regression models and compared their performance using standard evaluation metrics. And then I selected the best performing model based on validation results. And finally, I interpreted the model using the feature importance visualization. So that's all. Thank you for watching.